Hey friends, if you wish to fix audio quality drop in Bluetooth headphones while gaming, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, and then scroll down to this option here which says sound. Okay, and make sure that the correct headset is selected here. Otherwise, it will definitely drop. Then go to Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. Then search for Device Manager. Open the Device Manager. Expand the list of audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the first one and update the drivers. Right click on the second one and update the drivers. The next one, go to System again. Go to Sound and then go to the headphones which are the primary headphones and then simply disable audio enhancement. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.